Reasons of heart attack: smoking, alcoholism, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, lack of physical exercise, heredity, mental stress, anger, anxiety. Heart diseases: angioplasty, heart transplant, bypass surgery, open heart surgery, heart transplant, installation of stents, installation of pacemaker. Always remember, first, call 108 for ambulance. Check the consciousness of patient by shaking the shoulders. Keep the patient lying on the back in horizontal position on hard surface and perform compression only life support, COLS. In this, press the center of thorax for at least 30 times at the rate of 100 to 120 strokes per minute. Internet, my friend, collect the information about different methods of treatment like Ayurveda, homeopathy, natural healing, allopathy, Unani, etc. Misuse of medicines: sometimes, some people take the medicines without prescription of doctor. Overdose of medicines may affect our body. Overdose of painkillers may damage nervous system, excretory system, liver. Overdose of antibiotics may lead to nausea, stomach ache, dysentery, rash, white patches on tongue, etc. Think about it. Poor people do not afford the costly medicines. Is there any alternative for this? Which one? Generic medicines. Generic medicines are also known as general medicines. These are manufactured and distributed without any patent. These medicines are at par in quality with branded medicines. Production cost of these medicines is very low due to fewer expenses on research as their formula is readily available. Use of ICT: you can easily obtain the generic medicines using mobile apps like HealthCart and Jan Samadhan. Download those apps on your mobile and use it if necessary. Lifestyle and diseases. Lifestyle includes the daily routine and the type of food. Nowadays, habits like staying in bed till late morning and going to bed late at night, frequent changes in meal timings, lack of physical exercise, consumption of junk food, etc. have been increased. Due to this, such people are getting sick frequently. If frequency of becoming sick is to be lowered, people should follow right lifestyle. It must include sufficient sleep, right food, yogasanas, pranayam and physical exercise. Physical exercise should also be as per one's own capacity. Pranayam and yogasanas should be performed under the expert supervision. See the videos of pranayam and yogasanas. Vaccination. Vaccination is important to prevent the infectious diseases. Collect the vaccination schedule chart from nearby clinic and study it. Do you know? Government of India declared the Pradhan Mantri Jan Aushadhi Yojana on 1st July 2015. In this scheme, best quality medicines are made available in affordable prices to the citizens. Jan Aushadhi stores are launched for this purpose. Indian companies export the generic medicines on large scale. However, those medicines are sold under brand name with high prices in India. In America, 80% medicines used are generic. Due to this, hundreds of billions of money is saved there. Let us celebrate Health Awareness Day 7th April World Health Day 14th June World Blood Donation Day 29th September World Heart Day 14th November World Diabetes Day. Understand the importance. Blood donation. 1 unit blood donated by a person can fulfill the need of 3 persons at a time, for example RBCs, WBCs and platelets. One can save the life of 12 persons by donating the blood for 4 times a year. Summary. This chapter explains that health is not just the absence of disease but complete physical, mental, and social well-being. It begins by discussing what happens when we fall sick and why sometimes we recover without medicines while at other times, we need medical help. Diseases are divided into different types based on how long they last, acute or chronic, and based on their causes, hereditary or acquired. Acquired diseases are either infectious, like tuberculosis, hepatitis, and dengue, or non-infectious, like diabetes and cancer. Infectious diseases spread through air, water, food, or vectors like mosquitoes. The chapter gives detailed information on diseases like swine flu, malaria, dengue, AIDS, rabies, and more. It explains their symptoms, causes, and how they spread. Non-infectious diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and heart disease do not spread from person to person. They often occur due to lifestyle habits, heredity, or environmental reasons. The chapter discusses their symptoms and prevention methods. It also highlights the misuse of medicines and the importance of using generic medicines. The role of a healthy lifestyle is emphasized, including proper diet, exercise, yoga, and sleep. Finally, it talks about health awareness days like World Health Day and World Heart Day, and the importance of blood donation and vaccination.